Black ball. Black ball. Casinas. Still by Arasa. Arasa, lazy zap. Nadulas. Ibaw. Ibaw, pass to Hermino. Hermino. Mapasik siya at wala. Arasa. Arasa. Easy 2 points. For Arasa. Garnabel. Pass to Ibaw. Ibaw. Side step. Word lang. Rebound by Hermino. Hermino. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Bernabel. Pass to Hermino. 2 points. For Hermino. Arasa. Vargas. Perimeter jumper. Wala. Rebound by Esquicinas. Esquicinas. Esquicinas pass to Hermino. 2 points for Hermino. 4-2 in favor of Black. Arasa. Same one. 11 to shoot. Vargas. Still by Hermino. Hermino. Hermino lays Zama. Lays in. 2 points for Hermino. 6-2. Arasa to Dison. Dison. Esquicinas. Pass to Hermino. Hermino, what a pass! Wala, pero may contact. Foul, number 9. Number 9, first personal foul. First team foul. For the Diamonds. 2 shots for number 7, rebound. First try, nothing but net. Second try for Ibaw, wala. Offensive rebound by Ibaw. Ibaw. 2 points for Ibaw. The shooter. Arasa. Arasa for 3. Wala. Rebound by Esquicinas. Esquicinas! Oh, ano move by Esquicinas? 2 points for Esquinas. Esquinas. Vargas. Vargas. There's a hold up. Down. Foul. Number 3. Hermino. Hermino first. Personal foul. First team foul. For the Black. Vargas to Arasa. Arasa to Dison for downtown. Wala. Offensive rebound by Vargas, the big man. Wala. Rebound Ibaw. Ibaw. Binababa ang bola. Ibaw. Pass to Bernabel. Bernabel. Save ball. 15 second shot left. 7 minutes and 5 seconds in the first quarter. Hermino. Hermino to Bernabel. Single. 9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Ibaw. Still by Dison. Dison. 3-in-1 play. Pass to Arasa. Akin na to. Oy, sorry miss na naman for number 1. Arasa. Dalawang miss na yun. Layup. Hermino. There's a contact. Foul. Number 1, Dison. Dison, first personal foul. Second team foul for the Diamonds. Official score 11-4, 7-point lead for the Sheridan team. Bernabe, pass to Hermino. Hermino to Esquicinas. Esquicinas, 2 points, 13-4. 6 minutes and 35 seconds in the first period. Vargas, pass to Araza. Araza to Torres. Torres drives, block. But there's a foul. Foul number 9, Bernabe. Bernabe, first personal foul. Second team foul for the black team. 2 shots for Torres in the 15-foot lane. First attempt, nothing but that. Second try for number 9. Wala. Same one. 14-second shot lang. Vargas inbounding the ball. Pass to same spot, same respect. 37. Esquicinas. Pass to Ibaw. Foul, offensive foul for number 1, Sir Pante. Pante, first personal foul, 13 foul for the black. Araza. Vargas, Lizam. Basket count, may kasama mga foul. Foul number 9. Bernabe. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty, black team. A bonus shot for number 15, Vargas. Ball step, wala, hindi na kompleto. Pero offensive rebound by Torres. Wala, nakuha ni Esquicinas. Esquicinas, 3 and 2 play. Paso Hermino, binomba ba? Wala. Rebound by Araza, teardrop, floater, wala. Offensive play, the big man, wala pa rin. Araza, from down, wala. Rebound by Esquicinas. So Hermino, 1-on-1. Foul. Araza, first personal foul. 13 foul for the Direwolves. Ivo, mounting the ball. Pass to Hermino. Hermino, floater, connect. 2 points for Hermino. Araza, to old school. Vargas. 2 points for Vargas. Still 15-11. Ivo from trail. 3 points for Vargas. Ay, sorry. Ivo pala. Stay by Ivo. Five minutes. Vargas. Pass to Itang. Balik kay Vargas. Vargas fakes, pump. Basket is good. Wata. Up and under. Itang to Umakam. What a pass! From Umakam to Vargas. Basket count by Gasama foul. Foul number 7. Number 7, Iwawa. First personal foul. Black team in a penalty situation. Ball shot for number 15. Vargas, hindi pa rin ang kompleto. Pero nakuha ni Vargas. Black ball. Number 14, Hermino. Calling a play. Pass to Sugi. Pass to Hermino. 8 to shoot. Pada. 3 to shoot. Passer na lang to. Hermino. It's a 24 seconds violation. Umakam. Dribbling the ball. Umakam. Pass to Vargas. Vargas. Perimeter jumper. Favorite shot. Nating net. Baba po sa isang kalabangan ng Sheridan. Ay, boss, nanili ka na dito. Andiyan ka pala eh. Still by Pada. Pada. Paso Lisuge. Don't shoot. Suge. Wala. Single. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Official score 18-70. It's a trouble violation. Umakam. 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 Wala. Rebound by Ibaw. Ibaw. Pinasa kay Itang. Still by Itang. Itang to Vargas. Backward pass. Pass to number 23. Puro fakes na ginawa. Uwa ni Vargas. 40 to shoot. Vargas to Itang. Itang. Patay ang butike. Nakuha ni Suge. Suge. Suge.
Oh my God.
Suge. It's a three-second violation. Umakam. Pass to Itang. Itang to Choi. Pass to Vargas. Vargas to number 23. 2 points for number 23. Change Paywar. 1 point lead for the Direwolves. Dali, basta yan. Yeah. Umakam. Vargas. Pass to Choi. Choi, the regular jumper. Wala. Rebound by Ibaw. Ibaw to Hermino. Madulas ang sahi. A minute left and 35 seconds. Pada. Pada. Pass to Suge. From downtown. Way off. Offensive rebound by Pada. Pass to Ibaw. Nawala ang bola. Sayang. Vargas. Pass to Itang. Itang. Pass to number 23. Pace pump. Wala. Power rebound by Hermino. 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 Ibaw. Ibaw. Pace pump. Falling connect. 2 points for Ibaw. Change favor again. Itang to number 23. To Vargas. Vargas to Choi. Choi.
Yun!
Nothing but that. 2 points for number 31. Choi. 50 seconds left. Lisuge. Lisuge, terus sabi mo. Face pump. Ang ganda mo, ano masabi ng may Parehas. 22-21, 1-point lead. For the black. Umakam. Backward pass to, sabi ko na nga ba eh. 2 points for number 15, Parehas. Lisuge. Wala na po tayo shot clock. Lisuge. Nasobra sa slow motion. 30 seconds in the game clock. Umakam to Itang. Heavy shoot. Itang, ball free. Wala. Boston is up.